Hello, friends. Good evening. This is Vimal Vishwanathan here, and today I'm just going to talk about one tool, one very effective tool. If you use it properly, you could progress your state of how you live now to a different level. What is that tool? It's called feedback. Now we are living in a world of feedback and data full of feedbacks. So why don't I give you some example? The moment you order your Zomato, you receive the delivery. The delivery boy asks you for the feedback. Once you are done with the delivery, then the Zomato people ask for feedback. The hotel people ask for feedback. Why is that? So these are data with which you can improve upon yourself day by day. The right action towards the right feedback will gain you more momentum to move forward in right direction. Wow, that came just like a flow, and it seems to be good, right? Okay, so coming to the topic, yes, feedback. You tend to get feedbacks, negative or positive. You should dissect the negative ones, look for where you can improve up, and then create an action plan towards that. Now, it is not that easy. It is easy to say, but not easy to implement, correct? So negative feedbacks are always, you take it as a ego issue, or come on, I don't do that way. That kind of attitude, right? You don't take the right attitude for negative feedbacks. But take it from me, like there are multiple instances during my projects also where I had worked upon negative feedbacks and could improve further. So in that way, I'm just summarizing the feedback topic here, where if taken right action towards feedback, you could improve your life in a better way. Now, there are two people that are involved in feedback. One is the seeker and second is the giver. So, but this is only possible if you go and seek for it, right? The Zomato people seek for it, the delivery boy seeks for it, the restaurant owner seeks for it in the Zomato example. So feedbacks are to be seeked and taken. So once you receive it, you feel little bit thrilled because the people who know you would give you good feedbacks, correct? But it is important to ask them the negative or the worst side of where you could improve on, right? So with that knowledge sharing, I'm stopping today's video, and let's see tomorrow with yet another topic, or maybe a continuation of feedback itself, how to give feedback or something like that. Just let me know in the comments column if you would like to know more about feedback, how to give it and all. Okay, thanks then. Bye bye. Good night.